So I think we can all agree that trading is a nice career, right? I mean, the idea of just making money from home, it's a nice thing to do. I mean, it's a bit complicated than that, but it's really a nice thing to do. What's happening, people? My name is Afonso and this is Afonso Analysis. If you are new here, what we do here, I started trading with $30 that I got for free from XM, and I managed to grow that to a point where I'm making a living from it, and now I'm on a journey to making it $100,000, and I am documenting everything. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about how to really trade for a living. And I'm not talking about if you have $200,000. I'm talking how to make a living from trading from scratch. So to trade for a living, to trade profitably, if I may say, you need 3 elements, and these are really important, guys. I cannot stress this enough. But before we get into that, the first thing that you need to do if you want to trade for a living is to be realistic with your situation. And I mean your financial situation, your day-to-day life, really. Like, how is your life structured? How are your finances? Because to trade for a living means you're going to be a full-time trader. That means you're going to be staying at home and just taking trades on a daily basis. Now, you need to be realistic with your situation. Can you be able to do that? Do you have other obligations? Are you a family person? What I mean is, you need to be realistic with yourself and ask yourself, how am I going to make this work? Because the number one question that you need to ask yourself before you start trading is, how am I going to make money with trading? The reason you need to be realistic with your situation is because I want you to take trading as a career. For some reason, people will go to university to learn business management for 4 years from somebody who never managed a business in his life. But when they get into forex trading, they expect it to work in a week. That won't work. Let me just be honest with you. So of course, if you're a bit older, you have responsibilities. Obviously, you can't afford to go 3 years trying this forex thing without any income coming through, right? And for that, guys, if you are in that situation, if you are in a situation where you can't pay your rent, or you just need money right now, right? I'm gonna be honest with you, you can't take your last $100 and put it into trading and just hope for the best, right? Because in trading, you need a strategy, and we're gonna talk more about that. But my point is, if you have responsibilities, then you need to find other ways of making money online while you're still pushing your trading career. And that is what I did. I used to be a Bolt driver here in South Africa, and while I was doing that, I was also doing affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. So if you don't know about that, I'll probably leave a link in the description. Then you can, if you want to learn about those things, then you can do that. But if you don't have 2 nickels to rub together, but you want to trade for a living, I would really suggest that you find a secondary income. I mean, whether it's a second job or affiliate marketing or any other form of making money online, really. But if you're going to be trading for a living and you are broke to the core, you need to have some money coming through so that it doesn't cloud your judgment while you are trading. All right, now that we have that out of the way, let's get into the 3 elements that you need to be a professional trader. And this goes for everyone. Whichever style of trading you are using, you're gonna need these 3 elements for you to be profitable, right? In the long run, I mean. Now, if you look at my intro, Afonso Analysis, look how beautiful that is. This triangle represents the 3 elements that you're gonna need to trade forex. On top, we have a strategy. On the side, we have risk management, and on the right hand side, we have psychology. Now, these, ladies and gentlemen, are things that you need to take to the grave if you want to be profitable with forex. I'm not sure if that's the word, but these are the things that you're gonna need to become a profitable forex trader. You need a strategy, risk management, and psychology. Now, in this video, I'm gonna break it down all for you. Number 1, you need a strategy. And I'm talking about a strategy that's going to give you an edge on the market, a strategy with more than 50% win rate. Because when you think about it, forex is a game of probabilities. Nobody knows what the market is going to do or where it's going to go or whatever the case may be. What we need to get good at is to find an edge. Much like a casino, you can't beat the casino, it will always make money. And this is because they have an edge on the market, and this is what your strategy needs to represent. And the only way to find out if your strategy is profitable is to back test it. The only way you can find out if your strategy can stand the test of time is to back test your strategy and come up with the results that you've back tested yourself to prove to yourself that this strategy does work. If you don't have a strategy to trade, just check the links in the description. I'm going to leave my day trading strategy that I use on a daily basis. It's really been profitable for me. I've been profitable for over a year now, but I've been trading the currency market for over 6 years. So I know a thing or two about testing the strategies, different strategies and all that. And trust me guys, this strategy really works. So if you don't have a strategy of your own, click the link in the description and just watch the strategy. But the most important thing is to back test it yourself, because you need to prove to yourself that it really works. So if you don't have a strategy, again, just make sure you check the strategy in the description. It's a free strategy really. It's my gift to you guys for being my loyal subscribers if you have subscribed. But if you haven't subscribed guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, man, because I really want to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. So please help me guys, make sure you subscribe. The second thing that you're gonna need for your trading business, if you want to trade for a living, you need to make sure that your risk management is on point. Because once your risk management is on point, you can literally be gambling, right? You can flip a coin to an extent, but if every time you win $3, but when you lose $1, then it's only a matter of time until you are profitable, right? Because you know you can lose 3 times and win once and be back to break even. So again, risk management is really important guys. I'm not going to dwell too much on risk management because I've already made a full video about this. I'm going to leave the link in the description, but that's the second thing that you need. You need a proper risk management. The third thing that you're going to need if you want to trade for a living is your psychology. You need to fix your psychology. I can give 10 traders the exact same strategy with the exact same rules and the exact market conditions, but they will get different results. The concept of forex trading is really simple, right? You are either buying or you are selling. But the question is, do you have the proper psychology to not mess with your trades? Do you have the proper psychology to let your odds play out? Do you have the proper psychology to lose 5 trades in a row and still get back to it tomorrow and execute the exact same way, even though you know that yesterday I just lost 5 trades? Psychology is really important. I remember when I was losing money in trading, I really struggled with my psychology, man. I will cut my winning trades short but let my losses run long. I would mess with my strategy, my lot size. I would be scared to take trades, you know. It was just, my psychology was just a mess. There's one book that I read about psychology before I was profitable, and it really helped me a lot. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Don't worry, it's a free audiobook. In fact, I'm going to leave a link in the description of all the books that I've read, all the books that I recommend you to read if you want to be profitable with forex, and just make sure you click that link. All the links that I'm going to leave in the description guys, it's free links, so don't worry, I'm not selling you anything here. I don't have any courses to sell or anything like that. I'm just here to help you guys. I'm just here to document my journey, and if you guys can learn something from my trading experience, then it's good for both of us, right? So just make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you really dig my channel. But if you are new here, welcome. What's happening in this channel is I am documenting my journey from a $30 account all the way to $100,000, and I want to show you guys how to do that, because I lost money in trading for 5 years, you know, and it wasn't funny. I know a thing or two about losing your money. I've taken loans to trade, which I don't really recommend anybody to do really. But if you really want to trade for a living, if you really want to trade for a living, then you're gonna find a way. Because I think it was the late Bob Proctor who said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve.